It was quite fascinating. You know, I've had people call me just recently and saying, "Oh, you've started on the RAD building, fabulous." When actually we started 3 months ago. What we've done is the groundworks, and we've actually piled down over 10 metres, which is 3 to 4 stories down in the ground. And where we are now is at a critical stage. We're starting to put the envelope up.
The Energy Research Accelerator is 7 organisations, 6 universities and the British Geological Survey, which have all come together to have a concerted effort to try and make energy research go faster. It is one of the great challenges of our time to try and get clean energy quickly for not just this country, but if I may be so bold, the entire world. We're trying to be a part of that here in the Midlands. This is one of our showcase buildings. It's a fabulous new building. We're doing research into energy storage, we're doing research into hydrogen in this building, but we've also chosen to build this building to a standard where it uses no energy.
Because remember, this is a Passivhaus solution. That basically means we're building a very energy efficient, airtight box. For all intents and purposes, a rather complex box that's made up of different constituent parts, but it has to meet stringent criteria on how the energy leaks through the building.
From a UK government perspective, energy is one of the key issues for the 21st century going forward. And from a government perspective, it's key that we're both enabling businesses to be more sustainable, but also to drive where the UK is really great at research to make sure that we are commercialising all of those ideas. So giving businesses the opportunities and the tools to drive forward that wealth creation.
My own research involves a lot about energy storage, and I'm particularly interested in compressed air energy storage, and that's going to be a part of this new building. But as the academic theme lead for G-ERA, I have an overview of the research that's happening in 7 different work packages within that programme, and one of those is the RAD building itself.
But I want this to be a building where when I take visitors in, I'm enormously proud of, look, you can't just do this in a home, you can actually do it in a working office, scientific type environment on a big building like this. So it has 2 purposes. It has the quality of the research that's going to be done in it, and it has the building itself.